How to draw jeans like this. First, you need to draw a body. You're going to start by drawing a V, then erase everything inside except the body shape. Then you're going to draw a line outside the body shape to make the jean shape. Now you can follow those mini steps. Make sure to add those lines so it can do a 3D effect. Now you can add the pockets. After that, you are basically done with your jean, but I really recommend to add details. It makes it look better. I hope it helped. How to draw up her body like that. First, you're going to draw a round face and a chubby neck. Then you will draw a weird rectangle shape and oval shape under. Now draw another smaller weird oval shape and a rectangle shape under. After that, draw a mini oval and a big one under, then draw a rectangle. Now add a triangle in the middle of the rectangle, then add the legs. After that, you can draw those snake looking hands. Now you can erase every line inside the body shape. Add a semicircle, then add the belly button inside of it. Now you can add the clothes and details. I hope it helped. How to draw up her body like that. First, you're going to draw the face guideline and the neck. Then you're going to draw a rectangle for the shoulders and a deformed ovals for the boobas. After that, add another rectangle under the oval, then draw that weird form. Now you can draw the bubbles letter V and add to oval under for the legs. After that, you can follow those steps to draw the arms. Now you can start erase the inside of the body. Now you can add a mini W for the butt shadow. And of course, let's not forget the belly button. I hope it helped. How to draw hair like that. First, you want to sketch the way the hair will look. After that, you can start shading the hair by adding those curved lines. Also make sure that the curved lines follow the hair sketch. Now you can add the details. I hope it helped. How to draw a crying face like that. First, you want to sketch the character that you want to draw. After that, you can start drawing a face guideline to place the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. Now you can draw the curve under each other for the eyes. Make sure that the eyebrows are doing an S shape to make the face look sad. After that, you can add those curves around the eyebrows and the upper part of the nose. For the mouth shape, draw them and connect it with a curved line under. Then draw another curved line under the first one. Now you can draw a weird circle shape for the tears. After doing all that, you can start shading under the eyelid, the nose, and the cheeks. Then you can add the details. I hope it helped. How to draw a face like that. First, you want to draw a circle with a line in the middle. Then you are going to draw an upside down house shape for the jawline. After that, you can draw the neck. Make sure to make it big enough, but not too big except if you are trying to make a bodybuilder. Now you can erase the inside. I usually add a line in the upper part of the head shape to see where it is the forehead. Then I start adding the facial features. I usually give them smaller eyes than women with a longer nose, but it really depends. Now you can draw the hair shape. After doing all this, you can start cleaning your sketch and adding some line art. I personally love giving my drawing some glossy lips, but you don't need to. I hope it helped.
So since a lot of people have been asking me for eyelashes tutorial, here is it. Okay, so here is some eye sketch so we can draw eyelashes on it. So for me, I do not draw eyelashes straight. I do not do straight line like those to draw eyelashes. So instead, what you want to do is curve the line like a C. So when you draw eyelashes, think about C, but do not complete the C. Or just think about a smile, okay? A smiley face. See how the second one look better than the first one? So with those smiley face, you can draw a lot of eyelashes. Here is different type of eyelashes that you can draw by thinking about a smiley face. Oh, and also, when you're drawing eyelashes, repeat your line. It will be way more better. How I draw hair. I draw the bangs first. They usually look like triangles. After that, we can start on the back of the head. You can choose between multiple hairstyles as shown. All that's left is shading. And you're done.
I was like, why you so obsessed with me? Keep it on the low. It's clear that you're upset with me. Please don't let it show. It's delusional. Keep it on the low. It's delusional. Please don't let it show. Delusional, you're delusional.
eyes tutorial because many people ask for it. So first you want to draw 3 circles. Oh, by the way, the 3 circle is only to separate the eyes. After that, in those 2 circles, you want to draw whatever eye shape you want. After that, you can erase the 3 circles and keep your eye shape. As you can see here, I'm always making the upper eyelid thicker than the bottom one. So this is what I'm gonna do here. Also, make sure that the bottom eyelid is less pigmented than the upper one. I'm always shading that spot first. Then you can add the eyelid, the eyes highlight. If you want to add some pupils, but I never do it, then you can shade. I love making black eyes. Then you can add your lashes. This is how you draw eyes in my style. Oh, and here is a bonus drawing because I didn't post yesterday. How I draw hands. First, draw a circle. And start drawing fingers. Pretend like you're drawing flower petals. Chibi hands are usually chubby, so make sure they're a little bit thick. Almost there. Ta-da!
Okay, soon as I stepped in the club, I hit up the back, show my niggas some love. Hit the restroom up when I'm finished to see some bird I ain't seen in a minute. She's like, Banks, where have you been, honey? What it look like, bitch, getting this money. Buying more clothes, I look nice, right? You be in that fake shit, and I seen yours twice. Your shoes, you weave in your purse. If you're bad, believe that I'm worse.
Nobody gonna put up with your shit the way I done. Nobody is coming here to save ya. I did enough. It's you. No one look good with me but you. It's you. No one look good with me but you. Hey, you got me smiling when I'm looking at you. I don't wanna find me. Girl, you got me smiling when I'm looking at you. I don't wanna find me. Ain't nobody taking you away from me. I promise ain't nobody here that can say that I did you wrong. Nobody gonna put up with your shit the way I done. Nobody is coming here to save ya. I did enough. It's you.
How I draw. Body with clothes. Done.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a Ken. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl.
pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't belling out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the Bob Dylan out. That pussy so cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yelling, yelling, yet yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. Ooh.
And I'm bad like the Barbie.
I'm a doll, but I still wanna party.
Pink felt like I'm ready to bend.
I'm a 10, so I pull in a Ken.
Like Jazzy,
Stacy,
Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty.
all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag.
Bobby ain't nothing to play about. He wanna play in a playhouse.
So I had a late arrival, so we never saw the start of each other's lives. Heart to heart,